I like kit that's solid and robust. Kits you don't have to play around with. The sort of kit is pretty much bomb proof. So a lot of videos that I do, you will see, let's do this properly. In a lot of videos of mine that you see, I'll pretty much be using some staples or some standard bits of kit because they're tough, robust, and they last. So I was really pleased when I received this from Silverant. Now they don't pay me to make videos for them, I just want to point that out. They sent me lovely bits of kit. I get to use them, show them to you, and everyone's a winner. This is the Silverant 750ml titanium pot. It's the version with the bell handle. The only other pots I've got really with a bell handle are zebra billy cans, but they're a little bit heavy. This weighs pretty much next to nothing. I'll leave a link in the description to their website so you can check out all the stats. There's indentation marks on the outside and the inside, marking up to the 750ml level. These indentations, they're marked off at 125mm levels, and to the top of that 750, that's where your 750mm goes. So the actual total pot capacity right up to the very top is around 800ml. As with all Silverant kit that I've used, it's really well made and super lightweight. This pot came with a really nice lid that's not going to fall off. It's got some nice drain holes, and also, if I can get it to go down, there's a nice little lightweight ring on the top. If you push it one way, it kind of flicks up. If you push it the other way, it'll stay down. Food wise today, I've got a bit of a mix up. I've got some rice and lentils, which were a dry mix with some herbs and some flavourings, and I've thrown in a little bit of onion and some chorito. Poured a bit of water in there just to start the softening up process, and then I was just going to boil that up in my new pot. Ready-made meals are so expensive to buy for stuff that I do. There's no point in me buying any of that. And not only that, I can't eat it anyway. If you watched my channel, etc., you know that there's certain foods I can't eat. So it's kind of led me to go about and do my own thing, save myself a load of money, and also I eat a lot healthier. This is where the bell arm comes in handy. Silverant very kindly also etched my logo in the side, and I thought it was really cool. It's another service they provide on their website where they personalise items. I'll have a proper talk about this sort of thing in another video, maybe one of those rainy day videos where I'm stuck inside. You never appreciate how much of a slope you're on until you realise that you've got to start propping up the legs of your stove to level it out. They also kindly sent me a couple of these little utensils. Fold up spoon, fold up spork. And I thought, yes, just a fold up spoon, fold up spork. I've actually been using the spork for tuna and stuff like that. And because it's quite pointy on there, the fork of it, it works really well. It's not the sort of thing I'd use all the time, but if you want to go lighter weight, more compact, it's just the job. I think what's going to happen is that this is going to get super hot because I can't control the heat. So I might have to take it off the boil and just let it sit for a bit and then go again. You can probably hear the rain all around me. It's bizarre because over there it's nice and clear. Over there it's kind of raining, and I'm protected by the trees to a certain extent. Oh, we're boiling again. Let's take him off. I'd have been better off bringing me trans here, I think, and then I would have been able to put the simmer ring on and controlled the heat. I'm out with my Insta360 X3 today. I don't really rate it, to be honest. I've never really got any decent footage out of it. But I thought I'd bring him round and have a bit of a wander. And I'll let you make your minds up about this sort of thing. There's an X4 out now as well for the Insta360. I'm not going to buy it. What I'm going to do is wait for the DJI Action 5 and see if that gives me any kind of advantage in any way. See if it's got any features that are worth having. Switch that off. I really rate the DJI. It's been an excellent, faultless piece of kit for me. He's been sat here for about 10 minutes. Let's give him a little stir. Ooh, I think we've done all right there. That's pretty good. Let's try a bit. See if the rice is soft enough. I'm happy. So that gets me back to the point of this video. I like robust bits of kit. You know, like I said, like the Firebox, like the DJI. And it does what it's supposed to do. And that's why I like the Silverant kit. Gosh, what? One thing I don't like about this, just reminding myself, is with the bell handle, that goes upright. It's like 90 degrees to the handles, which is fine, but you can't use this as a cup to drink out of in a traditional way like that, because the bell arm's in the way. So you kind of have to put your thumb on there and then twist off to the side and drink. It's not a deal breaker, but apart from that, it's a superb, well-made piece of kit. I've really enjoyed making up my own meal as well. It's amazing what you can do. A little bit of rice, some lentils, and a few other little bits and pieces. It's so much better than spending 10 quid or whatever it is they are now on these dehydrated meals. Most of us, we don't really need them. The disadvantage, I guess, is you just need a bit more time. You need to hard ingredients like small lentils and rice. You need to soak them to get them started. Then you need to boil them up. Then you've got that. You need to wait for them, for the residual heat in your liquid to warm them through. Obviously, take a pot cozy or something like that. So for that extra bit of work, you can get probably a much healthier meal. It doesn't cost you the earth. Thoroughly enjoyed that. You might be wobbling a bit, so I got my foot on you to stop you moving around like that. I'm on a slope. I just chuck everything in. I'll wash it out properly when I get home. Well, that's been a lovely day out. I'm really surprised with the weather. It was supposed to be heavy showers today. Shows you how much the weatherman knows. It's been an absolute joy. It's been lovely having you with me as well. Oh yeah, there you are. I can't go without you, can I? Let's go on a little adventure again together. There we are, we're all tidy. Beautiful job. Where was I? Oh, I was rambling, that was the one. Got everything. Yeah. I do like it when we go out on our little adventures together. And I'd like to thank you all for watching me videos. I really don't know why you do, but I appreciate it. And hopefully we can have a lot more adventures together. I always have paranoia. Did I take everything? Did anything fall off? We're all good. Gosh, these steps are steep. Alright, I better start rambling to myself instead of you, because you'll start unsubscribing. And I wouldn't blame you. Thanks for coming along. Feel free to join me anytime. Info shed out. I can't do it. I didn't check under the bench. Got to make sure I got everything. Yeah, we're good. Beautiful job.